In this short tutorial, you will learn how to send high-quality photos on Messenger. Sometimes, when you send pictures through Messenger, they lose some quality. This can be frustrating if you want your photos to look their best. Fortunately, there are simple steps you can follow to make sure your photos stay clear and sharp. First things first, open the Messenger application on your device. Once opened, you'll see your recent chats. Scroll through and tap on the conversation where you'd like to send your high-quality photo or photos. Now, look for the photo button at the bottom of your screen. It typically resembles a small image icon. Tap on it to access your gallery. Here, you'll see thumbnails of your recent photos. But before selecting any image, let's ensure they're sent in high quality. Tap on this HD button. By enabling this feature, you're ensuring that any photo sent will retain its original quality without compression. Now that HD mode is activated, go ahead and select one or multiple photos from your gallery that you wish to share. After making your selections, it's time to send them off. Simply tap on the Send button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.